Hello, I'm Mrs. Johnson, the nutrition lady, and I'm here in the greenhouse here at the gardens, and I'm just looking at all this beautiful produce that's been growing, and especially this lettuce. If you notice, this lettuce is like really dark green, and I think some of you remember the vitamin that's found in dark orange and dark green vegetables. Who remembers? That's right, vitamin A. So vitamin A for healthy eyes and healthy skin. There's lots of it in this dark green lettuce, as well as some vitamin C. And some of it looks like it's ready to pick. You can see it's starting to form the heads. This is romaine lettuce. So the heads are long and slender and not round. Let's pick a head. I'm going to reach way down to the bottom of the roots and wrap my hand around just like this. And as I wrap it around, I'm just going to twist it and pull up, and we'll pull it right out of the garden. Here we go. It's got lots of dirt. We'll leave the dirt in the garden. Take some of this off. This is going to be really good lettuce. But since it's been in the dirt, I think we better go wash it. So let's take it over here and wash this up. Here, this bucket of water that we have, so we can get all this dirt off. Okay, so I'm going to just pull out some of the outer leaves, but they're good for eating. Making a salad, just munch on it. And these leaves are kind of fun. So I'm just going to break off some leaves. And I'm going to take one here, a couple of them, and wash it really good. Here's another nice one. All these make good salad, just nice things to munch on. So I'm going to wash them really good, wash all the dirt off. Take a little paper towel, dry them off. Got another one. And look at this, aren't they a fun little leaf? Almost looks like a boat. So I'm going to show you how to make a taco out of our romaine lettuce leaf boat. So I've washed my lettuce. Since we're cooking, we always need to wash our hands. I have some hand sanitizer. Soap and water is really good. Now you can take this lettuce leaf and let's just pretend it was your taco. So instead of a tortilla, I'm going to put some taco meat in, some chicken here. Just set it right in there. And it holds it up just like a taco would, tortilla would. We'll put a little salsa on it. Can't wait till the tomatoes get ripe and we can use some homemade salsa right out of the garden. Lettuce and tomatoes and onions, all good. Aha! We have a taco boat ready to eat. If you don't have chicken, put some scrambled eggs and sausage in. You can put your favorite lunch meat in, put some cheese in, and you've got a great healthy snack. So you've got the vitamin A from the dark green leafy vegetables. You have vitamin C, you've got iron, potassium, calcium. It's a great snack, and we grew it right here in the gardens. So keep eating your vegetables, and until next time, have a great day.